In a corner of the universe once thought to be quiet and uneventful, the James Webb Space Telescope has just unveiled one of the most shocking cosmic revelations in recent memory: a dormant black hole, weighing in at a staggering 400 million times the mass of our Sun, lurking silently in a galaxy that was never suspected to harbor such a monster. The discovery has stunned astronomers and sparked a wave of scientific questions and fears about how little we truly know about black holes and the hidden architecture of the cosmos. The black hole was found in a seemingly ordinary, medium-sized elliptical galaxy located about 10.8 billion light-years away. Nestled in the ancient depths of the early universe, Webb's infrared eyes, combined with data from previous observatories like Chandra and Hubble, allowed scientists to peer deeper into the galaxy's heart than ever before. But the mass and gravitational footprint it leaves behind tell us that, at some point, it must have been one of the most active objects in the universe. Something caused it to stop, and we don't know what. The answer lies in Webb's unmatched ability to observe the faintest traces of light, even from the edge of the visible universe. Unlike optical telescopes, Webb operates in the infrared spectrum, allowing it to penetrate cosmic dust and reveal phenomena hidden from all previous instruments. What they uncovered was a gravitational ghost, massive, invisible, but exerting a profound influence on the surrounding stars, dust, and gas. Active black holes feed on surrounding matter, emitting intense X-rays and radio waves as material spirals into their event horizons. Dormant black holes, by contrast, are essentially invisible: no feeding, no emissions. They are detectable only by their gravitational influence. After months of data modeling, computer simulations, and peer review, there was only one possible explanation: a massive, dormant black hole was warping the fabric of space itself. But what makes this discovery so terrifying isn't just the black hole's size. It's the fact that it's dormant, a term that suggests it is currently inactive, but not dead. It isn't consuming stars or emitting high-energy radiation in the dramatic fashion of a quasar. For comparison, the supermassive black hole at the center of our Milky Way, Sagittarius A*, has a mass of only about 4 million suns. You might not see it, but it's there. There were unknown mechanisms in the early universe that rapidly fed and grew black holes, perhaps involving exotic forms of matter or dark energy. Our own Milky Way may even contain dormant black holes apart from Sagittarius A*, quietly distorting space and time without detection. And if anything disturbs its environment, say a galaxy merger or a burst of star formation, it could wake up again. It reminds us that space is not a vacuum of silence, it's a jungle of hidden predators. The black hole's age: a dormant black hole passing near a star system even a fraction as massive as this one could disrupt planetary orbits, tear stars apart, or send waves of gravitational distortion across the cosmos. While Earth is in no immediate danger, the idea that countless black holes may be drifting quietly across the universe adds a new layer of existential risk to our cosmic outlook. The question isn't whether they're real. The question is what happens when one wakes up. And when it does, the consequences would be catastrophic for anything nearby. This newly discovered behemoth is 100 times more massive and may have once powered an intense quasar. In the early universe, the preliminary results are unsettling. Galaxies could be torn apart, star systems consumed. Already, Webb has detected minor increases in thermal activity and changes in surrounding gas velocities. Whether this is the prelude to reactivation or merely cosmic coincidence is unknown. The skies lit with radiation not seen since the dawn of time. The goal is to locate more dormant black holes and to understand their distribution, origins, and behavior. Some researchers propose that dormant black holes might make up a significant portion of the mysterious, invisible mass that binds the universe together, a theory known as machos, massive compact halo objects. If proven true, dormant black holes wouldn't just be rare cosmic oddities, they'd be fundamental components of the universe. According to current astrophysical models, it shouldn't even exist at this stage in cosmic evolution. The James Webb Space Telescope, designed to explore the birth of stars and galaxies, has instead illuminated something far older and more dangerous, a silence so deep it could shatter the night. the mass required to create such a black hole so early suggests either. Instead, it lies in wait, silent and cold. And that silence, experts warn, may be more dangerous than noise. A monster in the shadows. Dr. Evelyn Park, lead astrophysicist on the Discovery team, explained the unsettling implications at a press conference held by NASA. What we're looking at is a black hole that has essentially switched off. It's not feeding, not emitting, just sitting there. The mass alone for 100 million solar masses places it among the upper ranks of black holes known to science. So how did such an object go unnoticed until now? What Webb saw was subtle. Stars moving at inexplicable speeds, light bending in odd patterns, and gravitational lensing effects that distorted the background galaxies. Dormant, but not dead black holes typically fall into two categories, active and dormant. And therein lies the fear. This black hole is like a loaded gun buried under a blanket, said Drive.Park. The discovery raises a chilling question. How many more of these silent giants are out there, hiding in galaxies we think are peaceful? If Webb found one dormant black hole, it likely means there are millions more scattered across the cosmos, some much closer than 10.8 billion light-years. A glimpse into cosmic history. There's another element to this discovery that excites, if not terrifies, cosmologists. Because Webb is essentially a time machine, peering billions of years into the past. This dormant black hole existed less than 3 billion years after the Big Bang. Black holes can form far more quickly than previously believed, possibly from the direct collapse of massive gas clouds rather than from the deaths of stars. Either possibility would force a reevaluation of our most fundamental theories of galaxy formation, star evolution, and the role of black holes in the architecture of the universe. The implications for Earth. Though the dormant black hole is unimaginably far away, its discovery has immediate relevance for us here on Earth. One unnerving realization is that black holes don't need to be active to be dangerous. In fact, some researchers now believe that certain anomalies observed in deep space lensing effects, once dismissed as data noise, may actually be signatures of dormant black holes that have yet to be confirmed. It's like discovering you're surrounded by sleeping lions, said theoretical physicist Michael Wu at Caltech. The next steps. NASA and the European Space Agency are now prioritizing follow-up observations, using both the James Webb Telescope and next-generation instruments like the Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope and the European Extremely Large Telescope ELT. There's also growing interest in exploring how these black holes may relate to dark matter. At the same time, new computer simulations are being developed to model what would happen if such a dormant black hole reactivated. As for the black hole just discovered, it remains quiet for now, but scientists are keeping a close eye on its galaxy. One thing is clear, the universe just got a lot more unpredictable. Final thoughts. The discovery of a 400 million solar mass dormant black hole isn't just a milestone in space exploration, it is a chilling reminder of the unknown lurking beyond the veil of light. This is going to hurt, Dr. Park had joked when presenting the first report. Now as the science community reels and the stars themselves seem to watch with unease, that warning no longer feels like a joke. It feels like a prophecy. Thank you for watching. Please leave your thoughts and comments below and subscribe for more updates.